Hey friends, here's how you play the even or odd raindrops game. You're going to look at the numbers on the back side of this paper and fill in the numbers on the raindrops. So on the back side of this paper it looks like this. Here's all of your raindrop numbers. You're going to fill into the raindrops on the front. You have 6 to solve if you need to draw partners or teams to decide if each number is even or odd. So I'm going to look at the first number, 14. I know there's a 4 in the ones place. If I check my guided notes, I know numbers with a 4 in the ones place are even. So I'm going to write the number 14 in one of my raindrops on the even side of the cloud. You keep going until you have all of your raindrops filled in, and that's how you play. Have fun!